Hi, it's Chris with Shields OKC Auto Direct, and this is a 2016 Mini Cooper S. This Mini is equipped with a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder. Being an S model, you're going to have the front hood scoop, as you can see there, have LED fog lights on it. It's also going to come with your 16-inch wheel. Your side view mirrors are going to be heated, auto dimming, and power folding. So make our way around here to the back. You'll notice the dual center mounted exhaust. And this Mini Cooper is also going to have your electronic limited slip on it as well. Now that we've got a good look at the outside, let's hop on the inside and take a look inside there. This Mini Cooper is going to have your keyless entry as well as your keyless start. Your power locks and windows, as well as your button for your power folding mirrors. The inside is going to be a black leatherette on the vehicle. Both seats are going to be height adjustable, and is your adjustment for your reclining rear seat. On the front of the seats, you are going to have an adjustment to extend the front of it if that makes the seat more comfortable for you. On your steering wheel, you will have your cruise control settings, along with your settings for your Bluetooth on your phone and your audio controls. And as we take a look at the dash, you will notice this Mini Cooper has almost 57,000 miles on it. Looking over to the center console, you have your display for your audio as well as your controls. Moving down, you have your dual climate control for the front of the vehicle. And you will notice your heated seats for both sides of the car, as well as your AC control. As I mentioned before, you do have your keyless ignition here, as well as your automatic on-off switch, so you can have your gas engine stop running when you stop, and your off switch for your vehicle stability control if you wish to turn it off. Down below there, you do have your USB and auxiliary inputs. Looking back in the second row, you do have a 60-40 split rear seat back here, so if you do need to fold it down to make more cargo room, you do have that available to you. Looking in the rear, this is your cargo space you have available to you behind the rear seats. This Mini also is going to have a privacy cover for the back if there's things back here you want to keep hidden when you're parked. And like I said before, you can fold these rear seats down to create some extra space back here if you do have something larger to put in your vehicle. And that was a quick look at the 2016 Mini Cooper S. For any additional information or questions, please visit us on the web at shieldsokcautodирect.com or give us a call at 405-600-6707.